This instructional video is intended for existing members who have already registered on the self-service portal. In this video, let us first discuss how you can log into ICAI Digital Learning Hub. Visit the ICAI's website, click on Self-Service Portal, and enter the login credentials. You can also visit the Digital Learning Hub website and log in by using the SSP login credentials. After login, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Digital Learning Hub. Here, you can see the subscribed courses and the latest updates. For visiting the home page, click on the ICAI Digital Learning Hub's icon. Here you can see various learning hubs, topic-wise courses, e-journals, etc. Now, hover on the Explore button for accessing different online learning resources, such as e-journals, Board of Studies, Digital Insights, Expert Opinions, International Taxation, Indian Accounting Standard, Indirect Taxes, and Auditing and Assurance Standards. Now, let's see how you can subscribe to the courses on this portal. To subscribe a course, click on the Subscribe Now button, and click on the Confirm button appearing in the dialog box. Now, click on the Close button to close the dialog box. Here you can also see that the subscribed course lists down under the My Products. To launch the course, click on the Subscribe course, and expand the courses or batch column appearing in orange. Now click on the Launch button to read the course content. After the successful completion of the course, the CPE hours will be credited to the members' dashboard. ICAI's Digital Learning Hub also helps you to connect and collaborate with the community members through the comment section. Members can avail structured and unstructured CPE hours with zero cost for the year 2020. Check out today's online resources for you at https://www.icai.org/online resources.